This video will show you a quick way to create a sloping top for your cabinet, either from one side to the other or from front to back. Okay, so we've got a basic cabinet here. Let's change the angle to front. I'm going to select the top panel. Now we've got some extra parameter boxes here. Width slope is the one you use if you want a left to right slope. So I'm going to enter 200 millimeters. So we see the slope goes down from right to left. If you've got a positive value in here, if you've got a negative value, the slope goes from left to right. The overall height of the unit that you had in here, 700 mil, that stays the same. When you're adding in this 200, you're reducing one side by that 200 mil. So that's how it works. Okay, so that's left to right slopes. Let's change the angle to a side angle. We've still got the top panel selected. Let's change this to 0 because we don't want that slope anymore. Now we're going to use the depth slope. That's the front to back slope parameter. I'm going to put in -200. So the slope goes from back to front downwards. Let's do the opposite. Okay, so a positive value, you get this, the higher part of the unit at the front. So it's easy to take the on-site dimensions and add a slope to your model. To take the example of a cabinet in a loft, you'd typically measure the wall here up to the start of the sloping roof. Decide how far your cabinet's going to go out and take a plumb line and measure the distance from the roof here. So you've got those two heights. The difference between those two heights is the value you're putting in here, 200 millimeters in this case. Thanks very much for watching. Goodbye.